Did you know that avocado oil contains more heart-healthy monounsaturated fats per serving than olive oil? Or that it can withstand higher cooking temperatures than nearly any commonly used oil in your kitchen? If you've never given much thought to what oil you drizzle on your salad or use to sauté your veggies, you might be missing out on one of the most versatile and nutritious options available. Today, let's uncover why avocado oil deserves a starring role in your daily routine, and how a simple switch can make a world of difference for your health. Avocado oil has been making waves in health and culinary communities alike, and it's no surprise. With an ever-growing interest in natural, whole food alternatives, people are looking beyond basic olive and canola oils to discover options that deliver both flavor and function. Avocado oil, with its smooth texture and subtle taste, is quickly becoming a favorite among chefs and wellness enthusiasts. But what is it about this vibrant green oil that has everyone talking? First, let's take a quick look at the oils we most often use in our cooking. Many kitchens are stocked with vegetable oil, canola oil, or even margarine, products that, while familiar, aren't always the healthiest choices. Many of these oils are heavily processed and high in omega-6 fatty acids. While our bodies do need omega-6, too much of it, especially compared to omega-3s, can promote inflammation and contribute to chronic health issues over time. Trans fats, which are sometimes present in processed oils, are even worse, increasing the risk of heart disease and other serious conditions. This is where avocado oil steps in as a powerful alternative. Made by pressing the flesh of ripe avocados, this oil is minimally processed and packed with nutrients. It's naturally rich in monounsaturated fats, the same type found in olive oil, which are known for supporting heart health by helping to lower bad cholesterol levels and increasing the good kind. Unlike some oils that lose their beneficial properties when heated, avocado oil boasts a high smoke point, about 520 degrees Fahrenheit, which means it retains its nutrients even during high-heat cooking, like stir-frying, roasting, or grilling. But the benefits of avocado oil extend far beyond its fat content. It's a natural source of vitamin E, an essential antioxidant that supports skin health, boosts immunity, and helps protect your cells from damage. Avocado oil also contains lutein, a powerful antioxidant known for promoting healthy eyes and protecting against age-related vision problems. The unique blend of nutrients in avocado oil doesn't just support one part of your body, it offers benefits from head to toe. Let's dive a little deeper into the nutritional specifics. 1 tablespoon of avocado oil contains roughly 10 grams of monounsaturated fats, about 2 grams of polyunsaturated fats, and only a tiny fraction of saturated fat. This particular fat profile is associated with improved cardiovascular health and may help lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. The vitamin E content, about 23% of your daily recommended intake in just 1 tablespoon, acts as a potent antioxidant fighting oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic diseases. There's more. Avocado oil is also a rich source of phytosterols, plant-based compounds that help reduce cholesterol absorption in the gut. This means that swapping your usual cooking oil for avocado oil can actively contribute to better cholesterol numbers, rather than just avoiding harm. If you're still wondering whether a daily drizzle of avocado oil can make a tangible difference, consider this compelling evidence. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that consuming avocado oil as part of a balanced diet significantly improved levels of HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, while reducing LDL cholesterol and triglycerides in participants with moderately high cholesterol. Another study from Penn State University showed that people who ate foods containing avocado oil experienced better absorption of fat-soluble nutrients, such as beta-carotene and lutein, compared to those who used other oils. In other words, not only does avocado oil bring its own health benefits to the table, but it also helps your body make the most of the nutrients you get from fruits and vegetables. Beyond the numbers, avocado oil has practical advantages that make it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Its mild, buttery flavor complements both savory and sweet dishes, and its creamy texture can enhance everything from salad dressings to baked goods. Unlike coconut or sesame oil, which have strong, distinctive flavors, avocado oil blends seamlessly into recipes, allowing other ingredients to shine. Its versatility also means you can use it for sautéing, roasting, grilling, drizzling over salads, or even as a finishing touch on soups and stews. Let's recap the main reasons you should be using avocado oil every day. First, it's loaded with monounsaturated fats that support heart health and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. Second, it's packed with vitamin E and antioxidants that protect your cells, nourish your skin, and support your immune system. Third, it contains lutein and phytosterols, which promote healthy vision and lower cholesterol absorption. Fourth, avocado oil's high smoke point makes it ideal for any cooking method, preserving its nutrients even at high temperatures. And finally, studies have shown that incorporating avocado oil into your daily diet can lead to real, measurable improvements in cardiovascular health and nutrient absorption. Making the switch to avocado oil is a simple, achievable change that can yield meaningful health benefits. Whether you're looking to support your heart, nourish your skin, or simply enjoy a more versatile cooking oil, avocado oil is a choice you can feel good about every single day. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about making healthier choices in your kitchen, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey to better health can start with just one simple swap, and avocado oil might be the upgrade your daily routine needs.